received this here. It got dropped off in front of my house or garage. Figure I'm gonna do an unboxing of this. This is a Max G2 Segway Max G2, second generation of the Segway. We have two of the original ones, the first generation, and they're really well built. I like them. I love them because they do go quite a bit before charging, and they're built like tanks. They're built to last. And I figure I upgrade. Well, our family actually grown, so I figure I add another one here. But this one supposedly got some shocks, new motors, and some turning signals, and some new, I believe some new LED lights on them too. So let's unbox it and check it out. First thing, of course, get out the strap. Okay, wait. Ooh, it's heavy. This way. Get that. Got that in place. Okay, so I got them, all three of them lined up here. The front one is the G2, the newer model. As you can see, it is actually taller than the first generation, and it's wider. This is wider than last generation, but it's about the same lengthwise. And a couple of things that's upgraded is you got turning signals now. The old one you didn't. And also your ring bell now is actually electronic. The old one was actually manual. And you got new reflectors added on there. So the tires are the same size, but the tires are new flat resistant coating on the side. So it's self-sealing pneumatic tubeless tires, just like the original, but the tire has been upgraded. I believe the LEDs, the headlamps are a lot brighter, and you can see there's new shock here, and you can adjust the shocks. That's a really nice feature. Backlights, brake lights are actually bigger than the original G Max. And let's see if I missed anything else. Oh, you got a shock here, so that's a nice feature. But I love these Segway. They're built like tanks. And another thing about this one is it's a lot taller. I believe it's about a couple inches taller. As you can see, you're gonna ride a little bit higher. Look like they kept it the original, just like the first generation. They kept it simple. Throttle is a little bit bigger, and you still have how you fold down the Segway here. You still have the same style. You click it on the back. The next generation weighs a little bit more. I believe it's 53 pounds, and the last generation is a little bit less than that. I'm assuming it's gonna ride a lot better because of the shocks and the battery. It has a newer generation motor. With the newer motor, it's supposed to have better torque and longer range distance. Okay, so before I start here, it says here you got to charge the scooter for 3 seconds to activate the battery before it's first used. So let me do that. So I plugged it in here and it turned on automatically. It's actually already got full charge, it looks like it. What's the LED headlamp? You can see it's pretty bright. Now these brake lights, you can adjust them where they can flicker or they can be brighter. I have it set right now as when you brake, it's brighter. So you can set that on the app. The turning signal here. And when you turn on the signal, and you can see the LCD screen also turns on. Click it twice to turn it off. I feel so much taller than the last generation. feel the difference. It's got a little more aggressiveness here, torque. It is smoother. You can feel it when it hits the bump on the road, cracks. I do feel a difference. Smooth ride. Yeah, so the ride's really smooth. You can see here, I'm going down here, it's actually really nice and relaxing.